Welcome to Introduction for GICUS System. This is the login page. You can type in your username and password to log in. If you forgot your password, just enter your username and email address, click commit, and you will receive the email. But you need to verify the email first. Now you have entered the main interface of GICUS System. On the left area here you work with panels like dashboard, user, task, device group, configuration, firmware, and customers. On the top right you'll find your username, download template, settings, and logout. Make sure your user setting is on the correct time zone and country, as they will affect the data throughout the system. On this page you can change the time period to give you a quick look on the status of your devices, including firmware upgrade status, device configure status, device report summary, and so on. Now let's go down to user page. This page allows you to create new users, delete users, and enable them with different assets. Click new to create new user with name, password, and confirm password. You can choose to enable or disable them, give them the access to create items, export items, or change password. On the assets page, you can customize in detail, as in what assets you allow this account to do. For example, in item ACL, you can give them access to view items and its properties only, or manage access to this item, or delete item access. In task, you can see the task and tag status here. You can sort out the unit in different status also. Timeout, overtime, firmware rollback, DMV failed, download, waiting, cancel, timeout completed, and in process. None of my tasks is in process. These are the cancel history of my firmware on my task. In device page, you can build new devices. Your device need to be reporting to GICUS while maintains inbound server address. The device name, IME, and you can choose the model here. You can also link it to customers and allow the access of this device to different users. In this page, you can choose a device, issue a firmware upgrade, or configuration OTA, and you can export the list of all your devices. You can also download a template, the device template, and importing a list of devices with device information. The file format must be CSV and following this template. In this form, in this template, you need to fill out the IMEI number, the device name at least 4 bits. PO means purchase orders, but it can be empty. The model number, the model name, and the groups. If the group is empty, it will not put the device in a certain group. After editing the template, you can use import to import the list of devices. Go to device group. You can also put device in groups by using the template we just talked about. Here's how you build a new device group. And you can select all the devices you want to be included in this group. Also, you can edit the groups here. Configuration. This is mainly for you to upload the configuration file. If the new button is great, means that this account do not have access to upload configuration files. You can click new here to upload the new configuration. Need to input can select a configuration to upload, but you need to specify what model this configuration is for and what version is it. Also, you can edit the access each user have for this configuration. Similar with configuration, firmware panel is used to upload new firmwares for OTA upgrade purpose. If the new button is gray, then this account do not have access to upload the firmware. It works similar like the configuration group, configuration panels. Remember to enable the firmware if you need to use it for remote upgrade. You can also edit the firmware information and delete them here. In the customer panel, you can edit the information of customers, including name, company name, email, cell phone, address, office, number, facts, and remarks. You can also use the template to import a list of customers. This is the customer's template. You can export existing customers, and you can import by using the template we just talked about. Thank you for watching.